Clop character large object. Okay. What's the main difference between blob and clop? Blob supports all types of data. Clop supports only text. Okay. If you want to use text, which one better? Clop. Okay. Other than text is there, we have to use blob. There is no other option. Compulsory blob only have to use. Okay. Now, my task is I want to store one record in one image in a database. Suppose one image, flowers, file name, file extension JFIF. Okay. This image I want to store in a database. Okay. This image I want to store in a database. That is my task. Okay. Now, at database side, first of all, you have to create one table. We have to create one table. Now, it's an Oracle database. At database side, one table you have to create. Suppose example, images table. Okay, table name images. Here, two fields. One is name of the image. One more image. Okay. Now this name here, name of the image I want to store. This is data type varchar to 10. Okay. Now this image, which type required? Blob type. Okay. It is name of the image varchar to 10. Here image I want to store. That's what blob. If you want to store large amount of binary data, large amount of character data as a single entity, then this blob clop required. Now, it is Java application. It is Java application. We have tried insert query. That is SQL request, SQL response. SQL response. Now, we have tried one query. What is the query we have tried? Give me answer. What is the query you have tried? Insert into images values. Now, this is the image. This is the image. This file name flowers.jfif extension. Now, this is an image. This image I want to store in a database. Now, what we have tried? Now, insert into images values. Now, what we have tried? What we have tried? Some name of the image. Okay, name also flowers. Next, flowers string format. Flowers. Next, what we have tried? Flowers dot JFIF. If I write, is it image stored? File name stored. If you write like this, what will be stored? Is it file? The content is going to store or file name stored? File name stored. Then why blob? Varchar to enough, no? Blob is not required. If you want to store file name, got your point? If you write like this insert query, If you write insert query like this, here image not stored, that file name only stored. Image we have to store, not file name. What we have to write? Now, in a database, I don't want to store this name. I want to store this image. I want to store file content, not file name, not file path. File name, if you want to store, is it blob required? Blob is not required. Varchar 2 enough. Okay. If you want to store name of the file, if you want to store path of the file, blob is not required. You can go for normal varchar to 10. Okay. My task is I want to store image in a database. Then how to store? Now here name of the image, something flowers, varchar to 10, flowers I'll write. Okay, comma. Now here what we have to write? If I write like this, flowers.jfif, if I write, what will be stored? This name only stored in a database. Name if you want to store, blob is not required. That is also varchar to 10 you can use. What do you mean? Now, I don't want to store name of the image. I don't want to store path of the image. I want to store image. I want to store picture. This picture I want to store. File content I want to store. Now, what we have to write? Core Java is studied, no? How to read image from file? What we use? File input stream. File input stream. Is it byte stream or character stream? Byte stream. Through file input stream, you can get the data, no? That data we have to insert. But directly not possible. Can you type image from keyboard? No. Path, file path you can write. File name you can write. But content you cannot write, no? Through keyboard. That's what? It will go for dynamic query. Question marks only write it. Question mark, comma, question mark. I'll write. At the command prompt, I'll pass while executing this program. Java sub blob demo. After that, 2 parameters. Flowers dot flowers, only flowers I'll write. Next, flowers dot jpg. Now suppose that is in C drive. Complete path. Flowers dot jfif. If I write at the command prompt, 2 arguments I am passing. 2 arguments. Okay. This one as it is you can insert here. Okay. But this one as it is you cannot insert. This one open a file for reading through file input stream. Through file input stream you can create, you can pass. Here this image, it is file input stream. That is stream we have to create. Stream data we have to pass. File input stream. We have to pass. Then what will happen? This is executed. Then here what will be stored? Flowers. Here what will be stored? Image. So this is our task. Okay. From file content we have to read. That content we have to insert. Not file name, not path of the file. File name if you want to store, blob not required. We can use varchar to 10. And file path if you want to write also, no need to write blob. If you want to store image, you require blob. So how to read image? We have to create one stream. Stream nothing but data flow. Flow of data. In core Java you studied, no? File input stream, file output stream, buffered input stream, buffered output stream, data input stream, data output stream, file reader, file writer, buffered reader, buffered writer. object input stream, object output stream, many classes are there. Those streams we have to use. So file input stream we have to use. Open a file for reading. After that, read the data. The data we have to place here. In second question mark, image we have to place. But image directly cannot type from keyboard. It should come from file. That is the reason one stream required. This is only called file input stream. Then throw file input stream, file content comes. That content we are going to store. Okay, write this diagram. I didn't get you. Auto commit by default will be there. I'll explain. Auto commit transaction management is there. Auto commit by default will be there. Commit no need to write. But if you want to commit, if you want to make it false, separate library is there. Set auto commit false you can write. Then automatically it will not commit. That is called transaction management. After row sets I'll teach. After row sets. We can manage transactions manually. Auto commit you can remove. Possible. By default auto commit will be there. That's what we are not going to call commit. It is automatically committed. Now we are going to insert image in a database. Not file name, not path of the file. We are storing image. Is it over? So what we have to do is at the command prompt, two parameters we have to pass. Two parameters. One is name of the image. Whatever you want, you can write. Okay, file name flowers. Okay, it is also flowers. That name, whatever you want, you can write. I given same names. I given flowers.jf here flowers. Here, whatever you want, you can write. Identification purpose. At the command prompt, two parameters will pass. One is name of the image. One more path of the image. Name of the image as it is placed here. path of the image, what will happen? We have to open a file for reading. File content we have to store. Nothing but stream reference we have to pass. Then it will take care. Stream reference if you pass, in that stream, whatever is there, that is stored in a database. Okay, that type. Is it over? Now, for this, now, is it static query or dynamic query program? Which interface required? Prepare statement. Okay, prepared statement required. Setter methods for setting byte stream, binary stream method, for character stream, character. Right, this one. It is question mark number or placeholder number. Stream reference you have to pass. Here, stream length of the stream. Same here also. Set binary stream, set character stream. See, either here class name is input stream. Its class name is reader. So reader, writer, character streams. Stream, byte stream. Is it over? So 3 parameters we have to pass. Question mark number, like a placeholder number, index. It is stream reference, stream length. Here also same parameters. but it is binary stream, blob purpose. It is character stream for club purpose. Otherwise, you can write here. It is used to set the blob. It is used to set the club. Blob type you have to set like this. Club type you have to set like this. Is it over? Set binary stream, set character stream. Blob is there, use this. Club is there, use this. Now, okay, see the program. Blob demo, main method, finish. Here. Here, first connection establishment, it is common. Okay. Oracle dot JDBC dot driver dot Oracle driver. It is common. Okay. Next connection equal to driver manager dot get connection. JDBC colon Oracle colon 10 colon at localhost colon 1521 XC. Next system. Next manager. It is many times you have seen. Okay. These two over. Now statement record or prepared statement record. Prepared statement. What we have tried? Prepared statement PSTMT equal to dot prepare statement. Prepare call for procedures, callable statement. Okay. Now say con dot prepare statement. We have tried query. The query we have tried. What we have tried? Insert into images values. How many question marks? 2 only. In a set binary stream, set character stream method, 3 parameters are there. But here query only 2, because according to our table. Here, according to this table, how many columns are there? Here, how many question marks? 2 only. Okay. Now, this is prepared statement. After prepared statement, now first one we have to set. Second one we have to set. First one, name of the image. Name of the image varchar to 10. For that, which type setter method required? Set string. Set string. Prepared statement dot set string. Question mark number 1. Name of the image, I'll pass at the command prompt. What do you write? Arcs of 0. Okay. Arcs of 0. At the command prompt, whatever I'm passing, it will receive. That is placed here. Okay. Second question mark. Now, this is blob. For varchar to 10, we used set string. For blob, which one we have to use? Set binary stream. What we have tried? Set binary stream. Here, 3 parameters we have to pass. What is the first parameter? Question mark number, placeholder index 2. After that, second one, file input stream. So first you have to create file input stream. FIS equal to new file input stream. Year file name. That is path whatever we are passing at the command prompt in the image. This is we have to pass here. So what we have to write? Args of 1. Now args of 0 directly placed. Args of 1 file open for reading. See args of 0 directly placed here. Args of 1 open for file. This stream we have to pass. The stream reference FIS. One more parameter is there. Stream length. How to get the length? How many bytes are there in this file input stream? FIS dot available. Available method is there. It returns stream size length. See here first question mark args of 0. Whatever received here, that is as it is, I am passing to first question mark. But second one, path of the image comes with that file open for reading. That stream reference I passed. And here number of bytes. If 100 bytes is there, 100. 1000 is there, 1000 length. Now after this, question mark is settled. 2 question mark. It is actually incomplete query. Here completed. After completing, it is DDL or DML or DQL? DDL or DML or DQL? DML. For executing DML, which method you have to call? PSTMT dot execute update. Okay. After this, one message. One image inserted successfully. Okay. We have tried try catch blocks. Okay. It's over. Now you observe. Here, with these 2 lines connection established. That is many times you have seen. Here, one dynamic query prepared. Insert into image values 2 question marks. Because here 2 columns are there. One column is name of the image, one more column image. That's what 2 question marks. Now first question mark, it is varchar to type. That means string here in Java. That's what prepared statement reference dot set string. In a first question mark, as it is whatever is comes from command line argument, that is I am passing. Now second question mark, stream we have to pass. That's what I created stream. Whatever you pass file name, that file open for reading here. That stream comes, stream length comes. So if 100 bytes are there, 100, 1000 bytes are there, 1000, up to that. Now execute update. Then this query pass it to database to insert record. After that, message. Now, how many command line arguments we have to pass for this program? 2. One is name of the image. One is path of the image. See, name as it is directly I'm passing. But path, I'm opening file, that stream I'm inserting. That is the reason FIS I return, file input stream. Okay. Now, 2 command line arguments we have to set for this. Now, in Eclipse, how to set command line argument? Right click, run as, run configurations. Okay. Here you have to set. Say, without setting, directly if you run, you'll get a index out of bounds exception. See, java.lang.array index out of bounds exception. Index 0, length 0. If 0 length is there, 0 also out of bounds. That's what right click, run as, run configurations. Okay. And also you have to check here that same program selected or not, you have to check. Now, if you execute other program also, no use. Now here you have to check here. Same program selected here. Suppose it is selected, means for that one passed arguments. That is the problem. Okay. Now arguments. Now arguments, flowers. That is normal string. This file location, C drive is there. So C drive. C : / flowers dot gfif. Okay. Apply. Run. We are getting one more error. table or view does not exist. The table we have to create, no? We have to create table. So SQL prompt. We have to create one table. Now, what we have to write for creating table? Create table images name varchar to 10, comma image blob. Table created. Now you can run the program. Right click, run as Java application. See, one image inserted successfully. Now we can check. What you write? Star from images. Will it display image here? No, because that application doesn't support ASCII code printed. Okay. See, flowers printed. This is image. Okay, because that this user interface doesn't support images, audios, videos. These all in a browser we can display. In a Solid's, what we'll do? We'll retrieve from database. We'll display in browser window. At the time we can display. Otherwise, on graphical user interface we have to create in Java. That is AWT applet Sphinx. That is we have tried. That is almost outdated. That's what later we'll see with HTML browser. From database you can retrieve. You can display in browser window. At the time we can retrieve. But image stored. If it is not stored, no row selected comes, no. But it is stored. See, name image. Name is this one. Image is this one. Here file name not stored. File path not stored. File name, file path if you want to store, blob is not required. Okay. Now, this program. Write the program. One IO package required and SQL package required. No done. Not over. So here arcs of 0, name of the image. Arcs of 1, path of the image. That image path should exist. Image should exist. So in your system, wherever location is there, that location you write. I written C drive only. D drive is there, D drive. F drive is there, F drive. Documents is there, document. Pictures is there, picture. Complete your complete path. Otherwise, file not found exception comes. And if you don't pass arguments, array index out of bounds exception comes. If you don't pass arguments, array index out of bounds exception. You given, but still you are getting exception means that is file not found. That file location. File location also. Okay, location. And even forward slash also, illegal character also comes. You have to take care of this all. Now I written, you observe. Is it over? I written like this. C colon slash flowers dot jfif. I written. Suppose if you write backward slash, also may or may not work. Okay. That is also you have to take. If suppose D drive is there in your system, drive you write it. And folder name demo is there, demo write it. If any other subfolder is there, subfolder also write. Then write flowers.jfif. JPG is there, JPG, whatever is there. So complete path you have to write. So folders, subfolders also you have to write, if it is there. If you don't pass arguments, which exception comes?